set up just when most of the diesel plants that were introduced in 2013 and 2014 will be retiring, which is unfair. But then that statement that you have just fished out, that the president said that for you to do 1,000 megawatts, you need 1.2 trillion.
Yeah.
Do you know what that means? That for every megawatt,
yeah,
you will need 1.2 billion.
Just 1 megawatt.
1 megawatt. Let me tell you, if I divide that by around 1,000, you need, okay, I divide that by 1,000. You need 1.2 million per kilowatt. 1 kilowatt, 1.2. Do you know what that means? Even the solar people, the people who are providing solar, they normally do at around, I think it's around 10,000 per kilowatt. Now, when you say 1.2 million, it means he is also planning. There's a very big, I mean, what would you call it when you use money in a very bad way, and you are telling Kenyans that this is what I'm planning to do. And that has always been what governments have been doing. Because, for example, remember when I don't know what happened to the expressway. And then just a few hours, Murkomen was out there saying we need 700 million to repair. Do you even think a QS would take a day to do that approximation? And I am sure even that money was used. So when the president says that for 1,000 megawatt, you need 1.2 trillion, it's not just a joke. It's actually, it is serious. Because a president is, you know, his statement carries weight, because even the people who will be giving us quotations for that will be playing around the same value, because again they can't come to even more than 100% less. Okay, talk of about 50% less than the figure that he quoted. Yet he was not advised by the designers on how much it will cost. And then again, remember, even when he said that, what has been set up in Nevada, in the United States, which is 150 megawatt, all that has been powered by renewable energy, solar and all that, and wind. So these people who are coming to set up the data centers, if they will be coming, part of their cost should be the source of power. So you give us a quotation of the data center, inclusive of the power supply, because we have a very good profile of renewable energy in Kenya. So don't tell us that you are going to get or to fish out part of the power, you slash what we are using because of a data center. Number two, a data center is not a priority in Kenya. It is not, because we are doing well. I am very sure even City, what he's doing, he has not complained about that data is slow. So why would you start by doing a data center instead of doing farming? Or